Hello, my name is Dejan Boškov. Our first lesson in chess about the absolute and nominal power of our pieces. You know that the bishop is usually equal to 3 pawns, and what we are taught also is that the knight is equal to 3 pawns. The rook is worth 5 pawns, while the queen is worth 9 pawns. We don't have so many, it's hard to show them on the board. But how about when we trade these pieces? How about if we trade a rook? If we trade a rook for 2 light pieces and for a pawn, for example, can we do that? Can we trade our queen for 3 light pieces from the opponent? Or it's not a good idea? Is it good to trade the queen for the 2 rooks? And when to do that? These are very complicated questions, and in most of the time we are not quite sure, quite certain what to do. That's why I decided that it's a good idea to prepare a video on the imbalances in chess and to try to answer to some of the main questions. This is the subject of the video, and I hope that you will enjoy it.